Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Salman Technical Videos. I am back with another topic. This topic is internally inconsist is for and composed in the upper two and the wall called arteria in sign and arterium in lower two and trick and wall called to in which that concept that separate from each other and septum called into an arterial and septum similarly to ambiguous also septum each and other by and will show protection called intro and ventricle septum and each atrium content in which region in autocube and subscribe that one and must subscribe my YouTube channel Salman Technical Videos and intact in cons for and consents and upper two and then one to wall and call to another sign artium in lower that one and to trick walls in another one to pack article that septum in each by two and septum called an article similar to an other also septum to in other and muscular this and interior wall ventricle and are septum each and contains another to which in ventricle by an auriculo and ventricle aperture that one and the right is atrium is right and ventricle are concerned by an reduced view and similarity in left and atrium in left and ventricle are connected by an pure valve into and main blood visual are the are seen from our pictures are to blood from here to all and part of body in the blood from the right in prop and is and pumped through and from each and are long for oxygenation in other one to blood from and left to vital pump and thumb and symptomatic and all that are and part of the body and plunium each are then sign systematic and or take weight and gesture and lunar veils in prevent backward follow and blood there are attractive in one to most one that in thinking is muscles wall of left and ventricle and compared to right and ventricle the left in ventricle much and thinkle that narrow it the space and related to another one to space there and functions the right ventricle pumps and blood and to another two waves in left and flow and through our body capital that one in go and air body and capability and that network it work high to then and for then and in lung and capabilities another one to in next and ability are the part towards in higher in then through the system in crisis at that one and other two and so and high rotation that one is capable that one is a multiply that narrow space and want to go back and the blood are the high contrast that in one to in other in substance that match and it want to must it go back then and there is a different thickness of muscles wall of the ventricle as the compared to and right ventricle and the left ventricle much and thicker and narrow is space is lead to in their function and right ventricle and only pump blood and there is the related and their functions and the right ventricle in only pumps blood to and lungs and the left ventricle pumps blood and to all other in part of body and reserves and blood follow through the body capability and narrative network and widely higher than and blood and through the lung and capillaries and so that high pressure in deserve that another one to and capability development in the system and increases another one to its requires it thicker and muscles wall in narrow space. Keep supporting, keep watching. Must subscribe my YouTube channel Salman Technical Videos. Allah Hafiz.